Do you think this cat is cute? But 7 months ago, it was just a kitten. Do you know how a baby cat comes into the world? So, let's find out how a kitten comes into the world. There, in a quiet corner, the mother cat lies on her side, breathing heavily. She is getting ready to give birth. After a few contractions, a tiny soaking wet kitten slowly emerges. This is a sacred and magical moment. A new life has just been born. Immediately, the mother cat turns around and begins licking her kitten. This is not just instinct, it's a vital action. By licking, she cleans off the amniotic sac covering the kitten's body and stimulates its breathing so the lungs can start working.